ml 1500-264 high-speed cylinder bed interlock sewing machine. This machine adopts the arm extension design, which is mainly used for tubular sewing of clothes and trousers. Unique drive transmission system to minimize noise and vibration. Less parts wear and the machine is more durable. Dual crochet needle mechanism, needle gauge up to 11 mm. ATK device adopts pneumatic blade. Optical eye sensing, more accurate cutting. It greatly improves the work efficiency and saves labor cost. Suitable for special processes of virus garment processing, like single-side covering sewing and tape covering of sportwear. Tape attaching for sports trousers and jeans.